Hello, good morning. My name is James. I am from Gulbarga, Karnataka state. I did my Master's in MCA from Asian International University and I was working here in Hyderabad as a content moderator also. I always wanted to be in the IT sector, so I stopped my job and I came to Qspiders Punjagutta. And here I came in the month of September where I took the course of testing where I learned manual, SQL and I was ongoing with Java. But I got an opportunity to give interview and I gave interview and I cracked the interview. And coming to talking about the branch of Qspiders in Punjagutta, here the trainers are very well experienced. They know the core part of the subject and they help you in every time, anywhere whether you get stuck. So, and here the faculties are very friendly, because when I came here I thought faculty might be very strict because it's a testing course and all, but here they are very friendly. They will teach you everything which is required for you to crack the interview as well as to get job and to work in the IT sector to survive also. And I strongly recommend all the students or my friends who are dreaming to get into IT. So I recommend this institute because here everything is full of package, because here you can improve your communication, here you can improve your technical skills, because here every week there will be based interview kind of mocks, so where you will improve your technical skill as well as your communication, and here you can build your confidence. So that is what I realized and I placed, and I am sure that you guys also gonna place.